Hello, and welcome to the video, How to Close a Project on IRBNet. After your study is complete, it is important that you submit a final report on IRBNet. This will update us in the Office of Research Integrity and Education about the study's completion, and it will notify us to close the project on IRBNet. If you are ready to submit the final report, log into IRBNet and navigate to the project you want to close. You can do this by clicking the My Projects tab on the left side of the page and then clicking the title of the project. This will take you to the project overview page for this project. First, you'll have to create a new package by clicking the Create a New Package tab on the left side of the page. This new designer page will allow you to download and upload the final report form. Click the Need Forms, Show Form Libraries button in the upper right of this page. Then, in the Select a Document drop-down list, select Form, Closure/Final Report Form. Click the Download button. You will need to complete this form and upload it to this package by clicking the Attach New Document button on this designer page. After the document is uploaded, it will be shown in a blue table. Click the blue downward arrow and please select text in the document type column to select the appropriate label. In this case, the label will be Closure/Final Report. Finally, you must sign and submit this package for review. For a tutorial on how to sign and submit packages for review, please watch the video titled How to Sign and Submit a Project on IRBNet. Remember that for this package, the submission type will be Closure/Final Report.